enya sa dia be yire wo ho na wada ma manya eye agbashi nichu a wono na wo video ni mu na ye de sword share ne nsa se wono nso enya yi se ha wa gina so na me ne ntwe nkomo be 2 minutes
me ha me da gina so u bisa no question so me bisa no question
yo owura agbashi nichu ye makwa ba NJ 102.9 FM so
say
me ho ye na so wo ti
madum
agbashi video yi a koyi ye hunu se wo bi gina mu ati se wo ye aseteni eye wo a
emia
wo na gina video nim no na edi asemwa e ba ne say
dey na matro mu headline so
edi na ya tworo gu ye headline so say
they all to split the blood of the firstborn sana ubo video sana utie no
sabo mo video no mo say is moton NDC a wu na oba pere oba nsungu ananya sa
it's a vow you are taking
nti wo ka sa
nti yanka say yankwa amom konko president oba take office no on take sword this way
na me say wo hire
you see president
wo say dia ya tworo gu ho ne ya tworo dia ya yes wo say wo firstborn wu ana wan kasa
yeah that's why you wrote what you wrote
but wo kasa na wan kasa o video nim na ke nkoko monti
how the story went if you listen attentively to the clip can out here
with the material ne say wo say ya ton NDC agisika na wan kasa kura de bi kan wo say ana bibia apart from sika me ngu na me firstborn sungu anyasa na kan
yes
na say ne ye ntwa ntro ana
no but that which one man stable where man me share man stable TV no so yes to split the firstborn blood for power it's not to split for power
and yes split to yes spill
allegiance is to own an allegiance to the party it's not for power
eti we kura de brofo na o ma tworo no se na nanan mo akura si wo se brofo no mo ntimi kan de wo kan no mo tre
ube spini ade na spini ye
eti ka we brofo no ke ntworo ne say because wo se either say
we are taking we took a vow to be allegiance to the party
hello
na kwakwo sam ka wugina so ma ye ne ne eyi a eyi na ka ya ba 1 minute
mo Christian you ma too much tape no one tape obo no so what you dey kan
agwasi minua no tie aha sei ye interrogate brofo na ya tworo de nka hwe de ya tworo ne de ye
uba interrogate me ato de wa tworo is misleading
ti eni yanka de sofo ne kan ye no
no de no kan de no sofo no kan
o sei
de no sofo no kan
na me say sofo ne say se woton NDC agisika ana wangasa de kan o say ana bibia meaning
o stati se o to this dey no cancer o cancer dey
oh agwasi we minim brofo na na ye ko ho ye nka de o kan na ngasa
asem na o kan no o so for no ye o kan
o dia agwasi my headline no ye ntworo no ma
ukuta tape no
obiamba
asem na o do share ase kan de o do share ase
sofo no me say wo say wo ko gina hoyi ana yentie wo de yentie na wa nkasa ye meki ye yentie kwame bobo boni ye nyina yentie boni ye nyina yentie
that I sell an exchange of money on anything. That's it. And my firstborn die. Before I get home. So help me God. God bless you.
Won chira se ne say
we and now see there so help me God answer president will take you over or see there
na president will take you over for say ne bangu
na no be won na asem no am trying
ne wo ba na wo de wakwa ye wa de say na se wo mu di anke ne uni asem
we started it a long time ago spinning of things. See, in Crawford, a course happening. Okay, first and foremost, wouldn't Crawford more why take this about.
Enuti ni afra we bie mu kire ho amna na wo.
Okay. This app, I train the polling agents. I'm a printing house. Maybe I printing ballot papers. The printing house and you're not missed you. People are always being compromised. So at the end of the day, agents they have not even given birth. They have not even given birth. And everybody took the same vow. Everybody took the same vow. And yet just only the sword. Muslim, there was an imam there. Traditional people who know. And to our own astonishment, and this thing really yield positive results. The first one was at Ghana Publishing. I am agent for so vigilant based on the vow. I am pretty baby or different session. I got you one. Another one, the major one occurred at InnoLink. Over 1 million ballot papers printed and hidden. That is the kind of vigilance that we are going into this election with again. Yes.
Training and I'm person nipa ne committed to the cause. By so take vow. And you say vow no seven previous so no onyo vow akoye. Na wo ba what if you so nsoma se fa ne koye vow bia na nyesa.
Na me say me makuma e fita. Na me say the American bia en consider. I'll do it. I have a clean heart. That is why it was not mandatory. Wouldn't say to me, yeah, Gina Jane.
And na ye nana kwaku monsam gina so was sword na muso munim pefe say hwe nim gina so we me no ka say kuro gina so.
There be no see him say hwe nim. That is him. He is different from us. We are not competing with him. We knew what we gained from it. We are not accountable. I don't want to go into that argument this morning, my brother. No business, no. I'm funny business to be or any business. We knew what we gained from it. And it was not mandatory. It's not judgmental to us. Or we are not accountable to him.
Those
people out.
Which people?
Whoever you are saying that issue in him, is up to him.
I
don't care. That's the one we are referring to.
Nana, now say Kalpesa when you are will come be to a bitch.
My brother, I'm going to
where do you respectfully?
I've identified myself
good morning,
and I still stick to it. I'm not going to do any banter with any.
Oh, me not sure say banter. So
no, I'm not ready for it. I'm sorry, I'm not ready for it.
Agbashi me enu nwie quickly na yam go back to Nana. Agbashi na sabi prepare so. Say ye kwoto aba. Na munim say machinations amudi agu hon bibia de na kwempepepa. We no ne so mfa so ne de ana you were playing mind games with the people.
We're not playing mind games.
Because what was it mo ye training we no na mo pese nkrofo ni hunu se eja mo konam koye bibia bibi betomo no it was psychological game you were playing with them, if we are right.
We were not playing a psychological game with anybody.
Etina mo gidi se sofo na de na wo ye bibi techiri.
Now, why are you referring to only the Sofu? You see, there were imam and there was a traditionalist.
And I make us away the imam and tradi would ye ni hunu ye. And I would ye should never could have sword. So I can only give evidence to what I have seen.
The fact of the story.
Okay.
Say you want to know the integrity, the input of the whole thing.
There will a lawyer for a friend is circumstantial evidence.
I'm not in the law court.
I was it when Mobasa ye bio 2024.
Mimi nya opportunity say me san leave your mama be say you.
mo be say the mo mercy awowa
if it doesn't matter it doesn't matter you money film you are laying more emphasis on it
enu ne hia me wo na wo agbashi de okay there be wo aseja soloku ne ba betwie na ya ye o sei wo se wunya wo se se amenu no ma betwi soloku ande anya yi na mom yi me ba ne film yi ne film wo ko kan asem a wa ka se wa wu na yi me ba ne film
makuma is so clean so whatever we do but at the end of the day no we stick to whatever we're saying. Yes.
Eti Musa ye training we ambassador mama agina so say
mama na wo kan kika no and how many agents I mean omonkora
abazina wada ma wo mani bidie
na wo no me busa se na ba be ka TV na radio so
oh me busa se wo bidie
I don't know
na sabrenti wo yire ana wo ba hunu se wo yes ade wo ya have you thought of the psychological implications that they will have on them
out of air cut that family
oh me no we pull the emotional card
me with you
me no discuss your family issue me say have you thought of the psychological implications of these things when wo mani hunu se sadio na aka ya have you thought of it
you frame
sir
this is not anything hidden. There are people who do more than this.
Na number two, na agwashi say o na hunu say papa akoye bibi say ya. Would you have been happy with it?
I have no answer to your question.
Ya better say no pay no bre.
Miss me that say.
Agwashi no chu ye wo mu a wo mugina video ni mo. Na
ka bisa me honorable me nua akwasi asem kase. Oh, yeah, me can be yes, simple as ABC. Oh, say, ye kase obi kobo so. Se me puma pameba edatia. Na se ukupa mi bakanwa. Enye ana adro malamwa enye. How say nyami pi na obekase nyankopon e bia ade a mi se me ya nyami kumi bakan ni nyankopon kunkum ni ba. Yankopon kumnipa, you are in the church. How are you going to say that? Kasi Yankopon domeme, bremase, and that your child is innocent. What that the Bible says, Mama Frano Panomra mentioned, the young saying was running on there. One that a man when you walk by. And if you go and do your rituals or your sacrifice, you have to use your own. Don't go with the children. That is what I want to. Ghana first. But what I'm saying is that so call any traditional healer, a yoga software, and go say, and I also free. Maybe so, Ujadina, Famebadasi, on Famabadasi, Banwujao. When walk over, catching someone for our Nasi, and I'm a Fuma, Famiamedasi, now by innocent child. That you can not be a president, no one call. What do you say?
Na wo nsem hunu akodi ye no
ye the every obi di abrew na wa je every na awurafi so ko ba bia ko yeyo na suma no wo ka modu na wo ko kokum ba no na wo je akoye yeyo wa je every na di muskawi na suma ni ko kokum ba na awurafi ho timi semi nuano both political parties anybody in this world abeko any traditional healer as a pastor no be kase sue in men fa wo ba en kase mi wu me fa me ba dase no kase te wa wu na on fa wa wo dase yes en kola ni innocent people intimi sebo mo me awie ni ma bi 2 million ho unya 2 million na wu pa 2 ayi yi menta me am papa yi menta na no ofiri mu no wo ko no wo 2 million kwa ya na e ti te wo de ba bi ye yi a wo che oh, no, you be the better balance. If you really mean you, Mr. Ma, said about 2024, no, a bit fair, let's see, let me be a bit matona con papers.
Nana Cogbon Savedas, Yano Penobre.
Messomedas,
ye me, we are Mefro. Why? Now, ya baby say, and say, no, what Benem Kakra. Is a major Jininanka, cranka, you way when me free, me cobredi. Now, Marco Benemo, me frua, me cobo, Abidu, Marco, me, we are Mabaho, what?
But do that,
mnie, siedział on na mnie.